Hey guys, I'm here with another video today, and today we're going to do something, so it's how to save videos off YouTube onto your desktop and onto your computer, and even in time save it onto phones and all that. So first we're going to go to the video, so I'm just going to go AC/DC. So here we go, videos. So let's just say this one here. Now what I'm going to do first is I won't worry about watching the ad. So on it, so now what we need to do is we need to copy this, and then we need to go to create another link, and you want to go into a website called KeepVid, this one here, so keepvid.com. So now once you get in here, you're going to go paste the URL. So once you press download, it will come up with a range of options. Now I'd say to do max, this one. Okay, so it's going to ask you to go into iMovie. Now, sometimes it won't actually work in iMovie, so what will happen is it'll open up iMovie. A second. I'll just... So guys, just waiting a second here. So it should open up iMovie, and what's going to happen is once it downloads iMovie, I'll just see how much. Okay, so it's downloaded. So it's going to say this: the document cannot open in iMovie, or it might open. So you press OK, but that's alright because it's uploaded to your desktop now. So what you want to do from there is, if we've got it onto your files, so you can do anything you want with this. You see it works. So it all works. So if you want to get that now to your phone, so what you have to do is go into Mail. Okay. So once you're in your mail, you're going to send an email to your device. So here we go. So then you're going to press your device, and you're just going to get the video, and drop it here. So it's going to take a little bit to download, but once you're on here, it'll download onto your device. Once it's downloaded onto the device, you need to download something called Google Drive or Google Chrome, something like that. And once you're in there, so in your mail, it'll ask you for, if you go download, it'll ask you open in Drive. So you want to open in Drive. So once you open it in Drive, you're going to wait about 10 minutes. So you've opened it in Drive, you're going to wait about 10 minutes for it to fully load. So then, it's where it comes to the hacking side of it. So you're going to want to turn off completely Chrome for about 5 times. Then, you need to go back onto Chrome. Then you go inside the folder where it was, but you have to put the file in another folder on Chrome, and that should create something. So thanks for the video.